In this video, we will learn how to minimum font size in Excel sheet. Okay, let's see. This is my data. I want to decrease this font size of this data. Just select it. You get here option decrease the font size. Just click on that. After 8, you cannot reduce your font size. You can see here. After it did not allow, Excel not allowed to reduce this, decrease this font size. Okay. So if I want to decrease the font size 1 2, how it's done? Just click on the this arrow in font setting, format cell. You get here the font tab. Okay. Here you can see the size of the arrow. You can see here minimum font size is 8 and maximum is 72. Okay. Therefore, here not allowed to reduce or decrease this font size in Excel. Okay. If you want to give the minimum, if you want to reduce up to 1 or 2, you can edit here, right here 2, and click on OK. You can see here the 2 font size. If I want to increase again, just click on this arrow. I just want to select the 5. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. Thank you.